In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time market data and spot delays on your platform. Let's start by opening your account menu. Click the profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings, Billing or Account, depending on what your interface shows. Once you're there, look for a Subscriptions tab or a section called Real-Time Market Data. This is the hub where you manage access to live market feeds. If you're on a premium plan or have a paid subscription, click the Explore Now button or a similar link to view the available market packages. You'll see options like US stocks, CME, and other exchanges. Choose the markets you need and add them to your plan. Each package comes with an extra monthly fee. After you confirm, head back to your watch list to verify that real-time data is active. Live symbols should not display a delay indicator. If you notice a small D or a red delay icon next to a ticker, that means the data for that symbol is delayed. No icon usually indicates that you're receiving real-time updates. You can also hover over the symbol to see a tooltip that explicitly says real-time or delayed, which is a quick way to double-check your status. For free users, especially if you're tracking crypto or certain supported markets, you'll likely have real-time data without paying extra. Most major cryptocurrencies, like BTC and ETH, stream live by default. Open your watch list and hover over each symbol. If a tooltip or label says real-time, you're all set. If you're following US stocks or other major exchanges without a paid market data package, expect a standard 15-minute delay. Again, a D or a red delay icon marks delayed symbols, and the absence of an icon typically means you're watching live data. A few quick tips to make this smoother. After adding a package, give the system a moment to update, then refresh your watch list or chart. Make sure the symbols you're checking belong to the markets you subscribe to. Different exchanges may require separate packages. If you still see delays where you expect real-time, revisit the subscriptions or real-time market data section to confirm the package is active. That's it. Access your account settings, find the market data section, add the packages you need if you're on a paid plan, and confirm by checking the icons in your watch list. For free users, rely on the tooltip and icon indicators, and remember that US stocks and some major markets are typically delayed by about 15 minutes unless you upgrade.